Metro News is happy to report that Cecilia Siao has successfully undergone her sinonasal tumor surgery, which caused a swelling on the left part of her face. It would be recalled that Metro Television came your way with her story to solicit funds for her surgery. With your contributions, she has now been able to undergo surgery successfully. My colleague Derek Adote paid her a visit at the Korle Bu Teaching Hospital and has filed this report.
Months ago, Cecilia Siao was diagnosed with a sinonasal tumor which had developed so much it threatened her sight and potentially her life. When she visited the Korle Bu Teaching Hospital for treatment, the doctors said she needed 45,000 cedis for the surgery needed to save her life. Unable to pay for the surgery, Cecilia Siao and her family called on Metro TV to help her raise the money for her surgery. Metro TV, through the support of its viewers, raised 31,000 cedis, which helped Cecilia to undergo her surgery. Head of ENT at the Korle Bu Teaching Hospital, Dr. Kenneth Beidu, who performed the surgery, tells Metro News the surgery was successful.
It went well, in the sense that we took out all the disease, as our eyes can see. And then subsequent to that, we've sent it to the lab for them to see how much we took out, and then they'll tell us if we need to do something more after that. If not for anything, we have relieved her of that huge swelling on her face, and it looked an uncomfortable disease. So once that thing is out, we can look to her to have a much better quality of life than she was having before we did the surgery.
When the news team visited her at Korle Bu Teaching Hospital, the tumor, which had caused a huge swell at the left side of her face, had been removed. Kel Akwa, who led the family in getting the needed treatment for Cecilia, expressed gratitude to all viewers of Metro TV who helped for their contribution.
We went to a couple of places and then we were able to raise some amount of monies from other places, and Metro TV finally came to our aid. We were able to get a total amount of 45,000 Ghana cedis, which was needed for the surgery. So on behalf of her, I want to thank every Ghanaian who contributed money and to helping us raise the total amount to pay for the surgery. We cannot thank Ghanaians enough. We are grateful. We hope that whatever anybody gave in support, they will receive in 1,000-fold.
She further touched on the pain and discomfort in which Cecilia was before the needed treatment.
It's been, I'll say, 2 months of misery, frustration. Even after we were able to raise the amount, it was the era where COVID was, raging. And after paying the amount, we thought we were going to have the surgery done within some few days, but a lot of the doctors had taken ill with COVID, so we had to exercise patience for them to recover and then attend to us. And within that period, it was hell for us. It was hell. She took ill with malaria before she was admitted. We had to get people to donate blood, but the most important thing is that we've been able to get the work done. So we are just grateful.
Cecilia Siao is currently going through some treatment after her surgery to ensure that the left side of her face is well restructured.